I organise the foundation training into 5 weeks, which gives time for practice between each session and enables a sense of group and support to emerge over the 5 weeks. What we do in the 5 sessions are a solid foundation of nonviolent communication principles and practices. We spend the first week looking at needs and understanding needs, what they are and how to listen for them, and how this in itself really transforms communication. In week 2, we practice what I think of as a trauma-informed way of moving from fight, flight, freeze responses into social engagement. Week 3, we return to the overview of nonviolent communication and look at observation and requests. And then in week 4, we practice a really exciting and grounded way of listening, empathic listening. And week 5, we practice a difficult or challenging conversation as a role play. So it's a conversation that you might be putting off, or you might be dreading, or you might never want to have. And it's really helpful to practice this and try it out with empathic responses. So that's what we do in week 5. After the foundation training, you can go on to do any of the other NVC London intermediate trainings, or any other intermediate trainings that you might find around the world. Or you could do more solid practice of the foundations, and I will signpost you for that. So really trying to create a pathway for your learning with NVC. Do get in touch if you have any more questions. There's information on the link below about payment options. I've been working with paying what you can afford for many years now, and I find it's a really good way of working. So I've tried to explain how that works below, so get in touch if you have any questions about that. Take care and hope to see you soon. Bye for now.